I paid $17 for this AI that creates kids' books in 60 seconds. Here's what I actually got. Okay, let me show you exactly how this works. I'm creating a book about Brave Little Dragon right now. Type keyword, pick category, hit generate, and boom! I can add videos, buttons, publish to Amazon, or download as PDF. Pretty crazy for $17, right? But here's the catch. You only get enough credits for about 15 books. Quality depends on your keywords. And you still gotta market them yourself. This isn't gonna make you rich overnight, but for parents, teachers, or anyone wanting to test Amazon KDP, it's actually pretty solid. My honest take? For $17, it's worth trying. I've made 3 books already, and kids love them. Links in the description if you're curious.